going to represent your place, your places, okay? So if this was my places, and let's just say I decided I wanted to draw a decimal here. Okay, y'all see that placement? You can put your decimal wherever you like, okay, because there's different ones. All right. Then I'm going to ask myself, what places are available now on my placemat? What's this place? Hundreds, then what? Tens, then what? And tens, okay? My partner is going to set up their placemat, or they can use one of the ones that's already done. So I did this one for you. All of these placemats are blank, okay? They're going to set up their placemat, and then we're going to get our playing cards. And you get a deck, your partner gets a deck. Everybody look. Okay? These are your decks of cards. You're going to play a game called War. And you can shuffle your cards. You don't have to, though, okay? So let's just say you're my partner, Katie. Here. All right? We'll have our placemats. Give me two. Thank you. And he has his placemat. Go ahead and draw your decimal where you want yours to be. Draw it big like mine, okay? Wherever you want yours. Okay, hold it up so they can see. In fact, you know what? Stand up and show the class, because they have to tell which places you have available on your placemat. So mine goes, my biggest space is the hundreds, my smallest place is the tenths. Okay? Stand up over there so they can all see. And face this way. Hold up. All right, what places do you see available on his placemat? Starting from the biggest end. So start on the left side. Tens, then ones, then tens, then hundreds. Let's do it again. What was this?
Tens, ones, tens, hundreds.
Now, if ours don't have our decimal in the same place, how can I level the playing field so that it looks, so that when I compare, everything is similar? What would I be adding in these blank spaces here?
A zero.
My zeros. So guess what I could do? I could go to my playing cards. You could do something like an ace card or a king card. It doesn't matter, okay? And mark that as your zero placeholder. You got it? Can you hold it? Aren't you tired? Hold it. Okay. So he's going to take his deck of cards. I'm going to take my deck of cards. And all we're going to do is, you can come sit. We're going to flip. So I would flip a card. Boom. There's my card. I started with a 2-digit number. So this could be his. So on his place card, he now has 1 and 0. Y'all see what he just did?
Yeah.
Ooh, so he's kind of starting high. I'm a little nervous. I don't know if I'm going to win. He started high on me. Okay? Now, he's going to flip his second card, or his two cards. He can do it like this. So he's got 65. So now he's got 10 and what? Read the number. 10 and 6,500. Now, mind you, you're at your desk, okay? So it won't be as complicated to hold it. Grab some magnets for me, baby. Right here. Yep. Is there another? Got it. Thanks. Is there any more? I'll take that one. All right. So can you see how we have, this is his. Got it? Now I'm going to, now you flip. Flip at your desk. Like you pretend to be me. Flip at your desk and put them on here. You don't have to put it at the top. You can put it in the middle. Let it be straight. There you go. Flip your others. Keep going. Okay. Now, tell me what number you have. I'm going to write yours up here, okay? What do you have?
45.
Your decimal, let's see. 45 is in front? What else?
42.
Oh, see, your decimal has 3 spaces, so you have something right here. I don't have anything right there, okay? All right, so tell me what's in the hundreds place. Look to your left, highest place. 4. Then what do you have?
1.
Then what do you have?
4.
Okay, and then behind your decimal, he has a 2. Now remember we talked about leveling the playing field, so you would take your little kings or your ace cards and you could just put them in the spot. So I'm going to use those buttons as that, okay? Now we have to decide who won the war. Did he have the biggest number or did I have the biggest number? Well, let's look. He has a 4 in the hundredths place. I don't have what? I have a 0 in my hundredths place because this is a 1 in my tens and a 0 here. Who won?
Kaden.
Kaden does, so he gets to put a point down. And then guess what? You do it again. You flip, flip, flip. And you don't have to do 4 spaces every time. You can say, you know what, let's just do tens. So if you want to say, okay, who can make the biggest number to the tens place? Boom, flip. Who won? Got it? So that's how you play that game. If you finish early, I have baggies over here. Take a look. And I'm going to put them by the sink. One baggie will help you review order of operations. All you have to do is look at what's on the card and do it. It's super, super easy. This one will help you review if you don't remember your word form, standard form. What's the other form?
Expanded form.
Expanded form. So if you know you need some extra practice on this and you finish early, grab this baggie. And your last one is on decimal what? Comparing and ordering. Which is what we're practicing, trying to make sure we master, okay? You can go, Devin. Okay? So these 3 will be over here, but should I see anybody with these materials when we first start?
No.
Because you're not what?
You're not done.
You're not done. Okay, yes. With what news?
I don't know.
Nothing yet. I just wanted to tell you
No, I'm
about
not
center.
talking about that.
Oh, the game? Who does understand the game? Okay. Explain to her the game.
First, you get paper and flip it, and you place the decimal in there, and and the person you go up against, y'all flip the card, and
You hold the button back. Yeah, hold the button. There you go.
y'all flip the cards, and then you place them in the first 2 digits, and then you do it again, and you place them there, and y'all see who has the biggest number.
So you can sit side by side, or you can sit like how Kaden I was up front, but Kaden would have been on one side and I would have been on. You don't even have to have 2 place cards. You can do it on the same place card. Lay your cards out, one person on top, one person on bottom. You don't even have to have 2. So you can have 1 placemat card between the 2 of you. But how many decks do you need?
2.
2 decks. Why?
Because you got 2 people.
2 people are flipping the cards, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Does that make a little more sense to you? I have a feeling when you get with your group it will. Anyone else that is terribly confused? Okay, so if it's just 2, 3 people, then we will try to work it out within our groups, okay? And then I'll come around. All right, but we're not ready for centers yet because I wanted to just show you what you're doing. Questions about centers? Go Brian. Go ahead. When Devin comes back or Brian comes back, you may go there here. Go ahead, Jelaya.